Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, does organization make you really happy? Then check out these detergent dispensers from VUNDO. So this comes in a pack of 3 and it will elevate your space so quickly, it will make you look so put together. No longer do you have to store all of those half-empty bottles. It's really hard to find a space for them where it looks nice. And so these take care of all of that. They are a really nice clear container, very generous size. I love that on the side, it has a spot for your hands, so it's easy to grip. The lids are super tight. You have to push down really hard on that seal, but then they are locked in place. There is no leaks. They stay on and keep everything inside. They have a nice little handle and a pour spout, which makes it super simple to pour into whatever you need. And then, of course, measuring cups. So if you have a specific amount of detergent you need to add, you can measure it right with this. They also came with a bunch of different labels if you choose to put those stickers on, but overall, just very aesthetically pleasing, super handy. They honestly take care of the job so well. They're nice and sturdy, great quality. You can see exactly what you have, how much you have left, and you can measure it out. Really nice pour, so I think you will absolutely love them too, and that's my point of view.